Report Administrator. Report Administrator is something like, let's say, for example, in your organization there are some auditing team. Which auditing team requires some report from Okta on a daily basis or on a periodic basis? You can give this report admin access to them so that they can able to log into Okta on their own and they can download those report. Report admins cannot able to modify any other thing. They can just go download the report, save it, that's it. That's the only thing they can do. Even they cannot modify the reports also, which means the configuration of the report. Let's say, for example, in our report, right, so there is a report called a download list of users assigned to the app. Okay, you can only download the data. You cannot modify like I want this group or I want that group, or I want just for this user this group. You cannot do it. You can just go ahead and click the report that is predefined already. Okay, so that will be a report. Administrator role. So these are the set of predefined admin role that is available in Okta. Okay, let's see how we are going to grant access to any of the users like the predefined roles. Go to Overview. Click Add Administrator. Okay, so here you can see an option to select a user or a group. So what I'm going to do is, right now, I'm going to select the group. Okay, so I select the user. Sorry, we have only one user. Let's go to Security again. Administrators. I'm trying to give you an org admin role. Okay, so let's search your name here. Your name is there. Okay, select the role. So these are the predefined roles available. You can see right predefined or API Access Management Administrator, Application Administrator. So here I want to give you an org-only administrator, which means Organization Administrator. I'm selecting Organization Administrator. And if I click Preview, you can see what is the role that has been assigned. Perform most admin activities for an organization. Organization, admin cannot manage applications authorization servers, hook and Okta mobile. So these are the restrictions that you will be getting. You cannot do it. You cannot change any configuration on Okta mobile. You cannot change anything on authorization servers, so those are the limitations that you have if you are an org admin. Okay, so I have selected your name. I have selected the predefined role. Then click Save. That's it. So right now you got access to org admin. Okay, if we refresh. Okay. Yeah, it is. Okay. But I don't know why it is not getting updated here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is how you will be adding. Okay, adding. Okay, here you can see. So you have been added with org admin role. Okay, so let's say, if you want to delete it, you can go ahead and remove individual assignments. Okay, likewise you can go ahead and delete it. Now let's see how we are going to add a custom admin role. Okay, like let's say, for example, there is a requirement that I want to allow a user, just only to create user. Okay, I should not have an option. I should not give an option to Let's say I like no group addition, group removal access for that admin. No report viewing a permission to that admin. No, I should not give any other thing. I just want only to give, only create user account for that role. Okay, go to add. Click add administrator. You can select some user, like Cloud Foundation Group, and you can see right in the role. You can see an option to create a role. Okay, create the truth. You can give something like create a user and the description is used to create user only. Okay, likewise, you can mention the description, just to make it clear like what exactly you are using it for. Okay, and you can see right view type by whether you want all the user actions like user related actions. Okay, you can check this. Group related actions like add a user to a group, remove a user from a group, add, create a group, delete a group, modify a group. Okay, same thing for applications. Create an application, modify an application, delete an application. Same thing for profiles. So right now I just want only for user type, because I'm going to select only the create user role for him. Okay, so once if I select a user right, it will be filtered like. Only all the user actions can be done here. For example, create user, edit user profile attributes, edit lifecycle status. Okay, so likewise it will pop you only the user section. Let's say, if I select group right, automatically it will give me the group permissions. Also, like you can create group, manage group permissions, like that. Okay, as of now, I'm going to use only the user permissions. Create user alone. I'm giving. Okay, you can see the preview here in the right side. So click save. Okay, so you can see added. Create user role. The role has been created. If you click that again, you can see a drop down. From the top down you can see the new custom role that you have created. Okay, click that. Create user role that you have created and resource set. So resource set is nothing but an. Let's say, for example, you are creating this role just for user management. Okay, what you can do is you can create a new resource, set and name it like user management. Okay, and the resource type is users type. So that's what we are going to select and click save. That's like this resource set is nothing but grouping it together. Okay, you are grouping it to a single set of what to say like single object. You are grouping it to words. Okay, let's say, for example, you are grouping only the users. Object here. Likewise, Okay. So I have created the resource set also. You can see the resource set here, user management resource set. Click Save. Okay. Now, if we again go to admins, you can see the new training foundation user has been allocated with a role called Create User Role. Okay. So these are the way that you can add access to an administrator with predefined admin roles. Also, you can create your own customized role also. Okay, based on your organization's requirement. So previously only we got only predefined administrator role like super admin or admin application, admin group admin, like that only. But recently they have introduced this custom admin roles feature also. So likewise, Okta will keep on introducing new things in the tool.